Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by selecting I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ALCATEL. Then, thanks to all of those categories located on an Android device, you can pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, click on Send at the bottom next to Selected. I will go with this one photo. Then select Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on tablet. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the QR code. You can also input this key by tapping on Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers in correct order. When you finished, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to pick the best option for your ads first. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. I will click on No Thanks option, so then I need to choose Close this window and do exactly the same on the other device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!